Good morning! I'm in the car wash. Because that's what you do when you're an Uber driver. You do this all the time. Yep, rinse, rinse, rinse. Oh, it's almost time for my favorite part. The supersonic blow dryers. Here we go. Yay. Almost out of here. And I got a rider. So, it's time to go to work, ladies and gentlemen. And we fast forward to the end of the day. Yeah, it was a very busy day today. Of course, I started out going out doing the Uber thing, which goes without saying. And then I went and did a photo shoot with my dad for the website. He got some images. I went through them. Got all that, and then I stayed there at the studio and helped film some behind-the-scenes footage for a bridal shoot that he was doing this afternoon. So I did that, then went from there, back out driving, came home here, and then had to do some troubleshooting on the internet because it's messed up, so... lots of fun today. Lots of fun. Nothing I really considered either worth filming or was able to film. So there's going to be days where things like that happen, where I will not really actually be able to film it. I can tell you about it, but there's not much I can actually physically do to be able to get away with filming it. So there will be days, short days like this, but I'm just making it so that I can fulfill my commitment to a video every day. So that's basically what this is. So if the pictures are ready of my thing for the website, I'll post some on a little slideshow at the end of the video. If not, this will be the wrap up for the day. Tomorrow I'm going driving again, and hopefully we get the internet fixed up. It's not that it's not working, it's just extremely slow. I'm like painfully slow. I'm gonna spare you all the details of their service call, but anyway, doesn't matter. So yeah, it's been a good day, and I'll see you all tomorrow.